This video, just gonna get straight into it, okay? The quicker we get into it, the quicker we can make some money. So let's go.
You look like a baddie. Girl, are you a baddie? You look just like a baddie. I think that you a baddie. You look just like baddie. I think that you a baddie.
This is how I'd like to wear my hair today. I hope you all don't mind. But hey, it's me. It's your girl, DollyPradaaa. What's up? Welcome back to All the World's Ills. So you clicked on this video because you're wondering if it's even worth it to start a YouTube channel in 2023. I'm here to let you know it is definitely worth it to try and make a YouTube career, a living by being a content creator in 2023. It's still possible, and beyond these years, it'll always be a thing. You're not behind, you didn't miss the wave, all that stuff. So, I got you, okay? I'm gonna make you comfortable. Just come on and start now. YouTube has made it easier than ever for you to get monetized. All you need are 500 subscribers, upload at least 3 videos in the past 90 days, and you need to get this. Yeah, it's that easy. Don't worry, I'm gonna be the one to help you get started with this. This very first video that you're watching right now is going to let you know the very first step in starting your YouTube career, your YouTube journey, which is, drumroll please, sounds crazy. So like you have an account, right? And you're watching this video and you're able to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff that you should have already done. So you also should upload a video. Because once you upload a video, you're a YouTuber, right? And like that whole icebreaker, that whole feeling of like, oh, this is scary, goes out the window. Hold on, my food is finished. But seriously, that's the #1 step that I recommend for just breaking the ice when it comes to becoming a YouTuber. Just upload the video. When it comes to the new guidelines that they have to actually get monetized and make money from YouTube, I would recommend shorts. Upload shorts. A short is a clip that's under 1 minute. Anything that's over 1 minute is considered an actual video on YouTube. So if it's under 60 seconds, then it is a short. I recommend clips that are at the most 9 seconds, 7 seconds preferably. Things that you can post as shorts that are not complicated to edit, that you don't have to edit, would be like what you're eating at that time, how you feel about something, if you're holding up a product and you're just telling your opinion about it, or like, did you know about this, or just something very simple where you're just talking straight forward to the camera. The whole thing about being a YouTuber is being comfortable on camera. So you're a person that wants to be a face showing YouTuber, not a faceless YouTuber. You've come to the right place. We can definitely get into more about that in future videos, but this video is just really just breaking the ice and letting you in on some ideas that you can be doing right now, where you can just start right now, getting your channel in a position where it can be monetized later on down the line, when you actually have structure and a plan, when you finish watching more of my videos, when you schedule some time to get content structure, plan, situation together for yourself, when you actually know more about content creating and you want to go into the long form videos, that would be so great for you. But I do recommend that you start out with shorts first, because it's very easy to just make a quick little video. Always remember, everything is content, so you're good to go. Okay, just record every single thing that you do, break it down into 7 seconds, and you're good to go. Like stated previously, we are going to be getting more into content creator tips, things that can help you make money online, how to become a content creator. It's still possible, all those type of things, the tips, the tricks, all of the nitty gritty, and all of the fun stuff as well, and how to be a content creator, making money online, generating income by building a genuine audience that loves you for you and supports you because you're awesome. Click the link in my bio if you're already ready to get into content creating. Like, we're just starting over here, okay? We're just starting to give people the information, but if you're ready to go ahead and click my link in the beacons down below. It'll be the first pinned comment in the comment section as well. Go ahead and purchase my content creator starter pack, where it has glossary, content calendar, finance calendars, finance templates, pitches, media kit templates, rate cards. It has so many different things inside of it. Great price. It is like about 50% off, so go ahead and get that. Come back. Make sure that your bell for the post notifications is turned on, so that you're aware every single time that I upload a video, because we are going to get into some good stuff around here. We're going to get into making money. And if you are a man watching this, don't you worry, because there is a whole market out here for all of you men to become content creators. And I don't know why no one's telling you. You know, I'll tell you. It's what I do. Anyway, love you all, and I hope that you all have a great, wonderful rest of your day. Mwah.